Hi, welcome to my profile. My name is Badamasi Muhammad, the professional video editor with over 5 years of professional video editing experience. I'm dedicated to turning your ideas into captivating visual stories, whether it is promotional video, vlog, corporate project, or any other creative endeavor. I am here to make it shine. No more wasting of your time. In this service, I will offer you a seamless video editing and transition, color correction and grading for cinematic touch, engaging motion graphics and text animation, high quality audio enhancement and synchronization, incorporation of royalty-free music and sound effects, expertise in various video formats and platforms, fast turnaround without compromising the quality of the video. I deserve to edit your videos because I'm not just an editor, but I am storyteller as well. Your vision becomes mine as I meticulously craft each frame to evoke the desired emotions and convey your message effectively. My attention to detail, creative play, and technical proficiency set me apart, ensuring your project stands out in today's competitive digital landscape. Sounds good, right? Let's collaborate. Your project deserves nothing less than the best. Let's work together to bring your ideas into life. Feel free to message me with your project details and I will provide a tailored solution to meet your needs. Looking forward to working with you to make your Hikima&Fasahatv TV. Hikima&Fasahatv TV.